If you can count to 4 and follow the steps and stay coachable, you can pull some money out of the market. Right now, I'm just showing demo accounts and showing, the process because I'm learning, I'm studying the charts, I'm paying attention to it, gaining confidence and comfort, but giving people the opportunity to get access to something that can give them a skill set that turns them into an asset. That being said, I want you to look at this checklist. I'm going to keep showing this. And if you want access to the tool that's helping people increase the chances of them being profitable in trading, then it should be a link down below. Salute to those who already hopped on board. But it's all about finding A+ setups, and you can find it in anything. It can be gold, it can be Bitcoin, it can be NASDAQ, it can be MNQ. It's different things. But I'm gonna show you a trade. I didn't get this trade. However, what I did do was start studying and paying attention to what was going on, so that way I can know what I'm looking for, but also show you what it looks like when a trade is happening in real time. Don't put your weight on that. What's happening in real time. That said, check out this trade. I wasn't in the trade, but I'm gonna show you what you're looking for and how the trade was accurate and how people were in position to make money just by having an A+ setup. 1, 2, 3, 4. If all those boxes are checked, you're good to go. I'm getting confident in the fact that we finna pull some money out of the market. All of us. We finna bounce back from BG Wealth sharing and the debacle of that, and they gonna create some monsters of people who are understanding. Okay, they got us on that, but now we finna get money out of the market and feed ourselves versus depending on somebody else to feed us and giving them the ability to starve us. Never again. We got this. Join the link down below, but check out this chart. I'll see you on the other side. So I didn't catch this buy signal. I was doing something, and come to find out, I didn't realize this one was about to take off. But every now and then, there's certain ones that you want to double check when you're trading. That way, you find opportunities across multiple items. This one is the MNQ, which is the micro version of the NASDAQ. Well, long story short, about an hour ago, it triggered a reverse buy. So I want you to pay attention to a couple of things, because remember, it's 4 different things that you're looking at to position yourself to be a profitable trader. You're looking at the daily bias. Depending on what it says, will let you know if you're aiming to buy or sell. If it's bullish, then that means you're aiming to buy. Now, other things have to line up in order for you to initiate the trade. So let's see if they do. So here is where a reverse buy signal came, and that was at 6 p.m. my time, around 6 p.m. my time. So that's another thing. But you're also looking for green power bars, as well as the green momentum bar. I mix those up all the time, but those 2 things were green as well, meaning money is coming in and it's heading in the right direction. So it was a perfect opportunity to initiate a buy. Anybody who initiated a buy, which is people in the group, in the community, if you want access, they hopped on it and they were able to be making money right now, still are making money right now. Because, and that's, you see that post right there says push, because they got money in there. They were trying to get it to go and push and hit that TP2, because not only did it go and start making profit, it pushed through the TP1. So it lets you know that this system and this process works. So if you haven't considered getting access to it, should be a link down below so you can grab it. But it hit TP1, pushed through. Right now, it just pushed through TP2 for people. So they in the community making money right now. I miss it, and since it doesn't line up with me to just hit the trade right now, and of course this is a demo account, but since it doesn't align for me to hit the trade right now, I'm not going to initiate the trade, because all things don't match at this present moment. But for those who had their charts open, it could have been making money. So I just want to show how the probability of making money exists, even if I didn't enter the trade. I can't catch everything, because it's trades that may be happening in Bitcoin right now. There may be it's some people who say they're in gold trading right now. So it's money and opportunity all the time happening, so you can pull money out of the market. And you just have to have your certain time frames that you plan on hopping on to see what money is available. And people hopped on this one. Some people got that TP1, they might have stopped there. Some people got that TP2, they probably stopped there. Some people might wait and see if it hits TP3, if whatever their whatever their rules are, if they plan to hold on to TP3. And what some people do, they, let's say they bought 3 contracts, they might let it hit TP1, close out for 1 contract, another one hit TP2, close out another contract, then they may let the last one ride. So once you get more skilled at it, you'll find your strategy. I'm still learning, but I just want to paint the picture that this is doable. Even if you're new to trading, this is doable. If you can point out 1, 2, some type of buy signal. It may say confirmed buy. This one say reverse buy, because meaning it was going down, but then it was going, it looked like it had signs of popping up. So 1, 2, some type of buy signal. 3 and 4, right here. Now somebody just said something, a dollar amount in there, so they're in the group, saying things. They may be talking about a target, another target number. So they, while people are trading, they're live and they're, giving guidance and things of that nature. But if you can count to 4, you can do this, because you're looking for 1 and 2 to be heading in the direction of the daily bias. In this case, it's a buy. So you look for all greens. When it's buy related, you're looking for all greens. Typically, the confirmation buy is green, but if you see reverse buy, you treat it as green. You can hit that buy and let it ride. So, all right. Just wanted to let you know that this is something I believe can help a lot of people get money out of the market, even if you don't know what in the world is going on. As long as you got your chart set up, you see those 4 things checked off the list, you hit buy or sell based on what you see. So this is what I mean by looking for A+ setups. I said it because I wanted you to see how it looks on the screen. It's in, a couple of different places. But an A+ buy setup, you want everything to be green. A high probability of the market going up, also known as going long. Green buy signal. So you'll see the green buy signal, which is the indicator that prints a green buy signal. So you want to see that. You want to see a green bullish bias. Remember I showed you the bias in the upper right hand corner. It's either going to say bullish, bearish, or neutral. If it's neutral, you don't do anything. You just wait. Patience is key in trading. Patience brings wealth in trading. So you look for a green bullish bias, which lets you know that the market has been going up. That's the bias. That's, the nature of the market at the time. You look for a green trend bar. That's the wavelengths that I showed at the bottom of the screen. You want that to also be green. And then you're looking for a green power line. Power line that is green and horizontal basically says money is in the market right now at this time. Come get some. It's so many words. Once all those 4 things have been checked, consider that an A+ buy setup. So it's a higher probability. Real simple. Real simple. 1, 2, 3, 4. For A+ sell setup, what you're looking for is, pretty much the opposite. Minus one thing, being identical. You're looking for a red sell signal. You're looking for a red bearish bias. You're looking for a red trend bar. And you're also looking for the green power line as well. That lets you know money is in the market. You want liquidity. You want to be able to get money out of the market at the right time, strategically, and rinse and repeat. This is an example of what an A+ setup is based on these 4 things being in position once you have everything set up, once you get access to the group. Now, I'm going to go over real quick what's in the group so that way you understand what you're getting, and then let me know if you got any questions, anything you want me to clarify on, so that way I can incorporate it in other videos, and I know it can help others as well.